Hey, Widow Strikers, I'm Dries.
En I'm Jente.
We're still in Spain. This is?
Well, Castel del Escoiles.
We're in Spain. There's a whole list of names now to ruin.
Yeah, I would say pardon my French, but it's actually pardon my Spanish.
Let's go check it out.
Located on a hill to the south of the small town of Les Escaules, we discover a castle ruin. It was initially constructed sometime during the 12th century. Together with 11 other fortifications around the city of Llers, it defended the border between the counties of Besalú and Empúries. When Besalú was annexed by the county of Barcelona in 1123, Count Berengar III granted the castle to the Count of Empúries.
The current castle ruin dates to the 14th and 15th centuries when large reconstruction works were undertaken. Apparently, the Lord demanded the citizens of Les Escaules to participate in these works, which they refused. The 15th century was a period when the citizens of Les Escaules wanted to gain more autonomy from the rulership of Llers. They demanded their own town council, a goal that wasn't achieved until 200 years later.
The castle follows a trapezoidal floor plan and is overshadowed by the round tower. The walls of the enclosure are made up of rough stones bound with lime mortar. The tower, on the other hand, is built with regular dressed stones. Many arrow slits can still be seen in the walls, as well as the remains of the crenellations. The low, ruined walls inside the structure show us where the other buildings would have stood. There was also a cistern inside. These buildings often leaned against the other walls of the castle, which can be seen from the holes in the walls.
The tower is 10 meters high, with the door about 3 meters above ground level. On top we can see the remains of the machicolation that used to crown the tower. The inside is distributed over several floors. Going from floor to floor is fairly tricky along a staircase that leads through the narrow holes in the vaulted ceilings.
From the 16th century on, the Castel de les Escaules was no longer documented in any written sources. It is believed it was probably abandoned around that time and gradually fell into ruin. As we stood atop the tower, we let the breathtaking vista before us serve as a poignant reminder of the beauty and history woven into the fabric of this land and these very stones.
Cool castle. Time for the arbitrary subjective castle score. What are you going to say?
What I'm going to say, I think, is an 8. It's cool, lovely, little, unexpectedly big, and I just love that we can climb the donjon.
Yeah, it's a really cool castle. I would say I'm gonna go for an 8.5 even. Cool that we could climb the donjon, and it's divided in different levels. You can even see a vault ceiling in there. Leave your own score in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.
And like, comment, subscribe, and all that good YouTube stuff if you want to see more of these kind of castles.
We'll see you next time.
Bye!
Bye. Adios.
Adios, muchachos.